Most people who file will get a refund. Last year, nearly 110 million filers got money back from the government. The average check from Uncle Sam, $3,000. Not a bad chunk of change. Kelli Grant from smartmoney.com on the show this morning with some tips on what you should do with that money once you get it back. Kelli, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Of course, we always love the tax refund, but if you owe the government big, maybe time to do some reassessing.
It really is a good time to reassess. If you're getting a refund, that is not really a great thing. It means that you've basically given the government an interest-free loan for a year. So you want to talk to HR, you want to talk to your accountant about what you might be able to do and what you did incorrectly this past year that you won't get as big of a refund next year.
The thing a lot of people don't want to hear is when you get that money back, pay down your debts. And you say focus on the credit card.
You really do want to look at your credit card specifically, but debts in general are a good thing to assess here. Interest rates are fairly high, especially for those credit cards, and it's always a good idea to put some of that money toward those debts, can cut your interest payments, cut the life of that loan, and get you back in the black a little bit sooner. Very
uncertain times right now. It's work today and then no work tomorrow potentially for some people. So save some of that money, have an emergency fund.
It is always a great idea to have at least 6 months worth of living expenses set aside in a cash account, just a high yield savings account somewhere. So if you can put most of that money, if not all of it, toward that. Most of us don't even have even 1 or 2 months savings set aside, so it's always a good thing to add.
And you also say, think about this, setting aside some of that refund for investments.
Yes, if you want to grow that cash, great thing to do. Put it in your brokerage account, put it toward your retirement savings in an IRA, or even put it toward your kid's 529 plan.
And then the best part of all here, what I've been looking forward to talking to, spend that money. If you got it, spend it, but don't go crazy.
Don't go crazy. You should really limit yourself. I mean, if you've been listening to all of this and thinking, oh, I should pay down my debt, I could put this toward my retirement, you know, just try to spend, limit yourself to 10% of whatever you get back and try to find something useful to do with the rest of it. Even if you are in great financial shape, really, you know, hang on to the money, don't make an impulse purchase, and try to think about what is useful for your life that you could spend it on instead of going crazy and doing a vacation or a flat screen TV.
There you go. And that's exactly what I was thinking about. You know, you get the money, right? Before you get it, you think of all these wonderful things that we just talked about. Then once the money comes in the mail and you have it, it's all gone.
It is.
You know?
Very easy to do.
Right. It's an easy thing to do. Kelli Grant from smartmoney.com. Always good to have you and great talking to you tonight.
Thanks. Thank you.